What's going on, people? Mr. Marky from the Lace Check here. I bet you thought you got rid of me. Nah. Not that easy, not that easy. So what's been happening is we've moved location. We've got a new studio here. We had to get the whole setup done correctly. The lights are in, we're negotiating with them at the moment, but we're working on that. And I've got a lot more content. I've got 3 to 4 videos that I did before I moved, which I'm editing at the moment, that will be up shortly. And then also, Mike's dragging me down. See, I lost a bit of weight. And then I've got another 4 videos that I've got to make. So don't worry, content's coming soon. You haven't got rid of me. You haven't lost me. I saw all the notifications, all of the comments. Yeah, I'm still here. We're still working and we're still on this. That's right. So more videos coming very soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the channel. And we're going to see you soon. Peace.